Boom, boom. Excuse me, it's your boy James R. Davis Sr. broadcasting live here. Today is June 22nd, 2021. I want to come to you live on a special Real Crypto Talk because one of the main reasons is because I know people that are autistic. I know the challenges of being autistic. Again, I got friends, I got family members that deal with it, and I support it. And so this what this is going to be about. I support autism wholeheartedly, and I want to point you guys to a cause that you can um, donate to and ensure that your donations reach the people or destination that you desire for it to reach. And that's an issue sometimes when it comes to donating causes, charities. The monies and the donations don't get to the people that should be for. So I want to point your attention to alt alt.io, autz.io. This is the website on how you can give back. Let's just read it. Make giving great again, rewarding those that reward others. Cryptocurrency. And this is why I love blockchain, folks, because again, and cryptocurrencies, because blockchain enables transparency. Um, Cryptocurrency enables empowerment. It enables freedom. Right now, we're currently in a um, let's look at the markets real quick. Let's look at the markets real quick. I think I was already, yeah. All right, let's refresh this real quick. We're currently at 1.198 market cap. A lot has fallen off. Bitcoin's dominance is going up a little bit, 46.9%. ETH is 17.3%. And right now, over the past 24 hours, it has been dumpage. Dumpage, 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 much dumpage, dumpage. People are saying, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip, buy the dip. That's true. We call that ladder buying. But it just really depends on how much capital, how you are managing your portfolio, how much you have available, how much risk tolerance you have, and all that good stuff. Nothing is in the green. All you can see is when you see these tethers, that simply means that a lot of smart investors are, some of them, most of them are not really buying the dips. They're parking their monies into a safe haven, um, because they don't know when the bottom is going to be reached. In fact, I was looking at the charts here myself, seeing what level that it may end up hitting down to. It looks like it's coming down to this $27,000 level. And this is total uh, market manipulation, by the way. For those of you that don't know, this is a textbook pattern right here. Uh, this is just amazing. I absolutely love it. I love it. Gonna kind of get into the news when China banning Bitcoin and transactions and all that. That's bad, but at the same time, long term is good. In the immediate short term, yes, it's a bad thing. Of course, depends on how you look at it, right? If you're a trader like myself, you really understand these market cycles like myself. You're not worried at all. In fact, I'm taking this moment because I do have a bunch of capital that I have parked in these stable coins because they yield interest. Um, this is, to me, this is a perfect. Robert Kiyosaki says 24,000. I mean, this is a perfect opportunity for me to start loading up because this thing is definitely going to be reversing. No, I don't know when, but it may go sideways for a while. That's what we call it, the accumulation phase. Look at that. This is what we call it, the accumulation phase right here. But the market is dipping. It could come back. This is another level here. What is this? A $24,000 level right here. 24 at 5 level. Another level up under that is 22. And then you got another level of major level of 20,000, 19,000. All right. So anyway, that's the market. But the news is China's banning Bitcoin for real this time. They're banning transactions. Not going to get into that right now. But you know, and what's crazy is the miners are coming over here. United States, different parts of the world where they're going to get more economic, economically friendly mining or greenish mining. My mind is just on something else right now. I don't know where my mind is at talking to you guys. They can't get my proper vocabulary together when it comes to the green energy. More efficient, more green efficient mining. That's what I meant to say. I kind of stopped smoking weed. More green efficient mining areas where they can move to. So it's gonna probably dip a little bit more. So don't be shocked about that, folks. If it does come down to this particular level here, which I got marked at 24, it's previous area of resistance, uh, right? So, and then the support area would be. I'm gonna get back to the news. I promise you. Just want to make sure that I hit this real quick, so people won't think I'm ignoring it when things go red on us. Trust me, I am making a killing, making a killing, making a killing, making a killing. Man, I'm shorting this market. I'm paying close attention to the shorts, but I'm definitely shorting. Anyway, um, yeah, that's the Bitcoin news. Like I said, mining, the hash rate is going to be shifting. I just think it's sad that, people ask me, what are your thoughts about the market? I'm like, listen, dude, I think it's sad that a country is so afraid of the disruption of this technology that they're willing to kick all the miners out, willing to stop all the transactions, willing to block their citizens from buying it. You know what I mean? That's just total. You know what I mean? That's just and all in the name of trying to protect their investors. All in the name of people can money launder. Come, man, it's amazing. It really is amazing to me. I mean, write a book on this shit because it's insane. It's insane what you see. And when you're informed as I am, I don't want to pat myself on the back about that, but I mean, I've been in the lab, folks, 6, 8, 9, 10 hours a day, really mastering this stuff, reading this stuff, keeping up with blockchain technology. It's a lot because things change so drastically, and to me, it's fascinating. I feel like I'm in the first grade with an exciting mind, willing to learn, and because this industry changes so much, it's fascinating to me, and it's just I'm just I'm really, 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 really all in, and that's why I'm going to talk about this particular token, this project, and I mean I feel like I'm already a giver. I already have a heart for people. When it comes to autism, I got my thoughts on that as well. You know what I'm saying? It's just amazing how things just, I don't know. I feel like the government controls a lot. They have an overreach on things, food, water supply, air. They manipulate things. They destroy the earth, all in the name of money. It's just all about greed, man. It's a lot that I could speak on, but I'm gonna keep this thing positive. And I can definitely get behind tokens, coins, people who are behind these tokens, who are pushing these causes, who are looking to solve these problems, right? When it comes to donating, when it comes to tokenomics, when it comes to white paper fundamentals, right? When it comes to real charity, and making sure that it's reaching the people, I'm all over that, folks, all over that. And the fact that this token is listed on CoinGecko, you can see the Explorer on Dex is the introduction to it. You can read the white paper, you can read all of this stuff, information about this token supply. This is one rare situation. I'm going to go in on coins like this, but this could be huge on so many levels. The fact that you have the ability to um, uh, do good by giving, and at the same time, you can be in a position to even do a lot better and give more because of the tokenomics, because of the cause, right? Because of people like Sarah, who, you know, just understands adversity, that understands challenges, that understands the need for people to really be aware of what's happening to our societies all around the world when it comes to autism, okay, and how we can help, how you can help, how you can spread the word and feel great about your contribution, right? So it's interesting. It's an interesting marriage, right? Because you truly, if you're a person that truly has a heart for people, um, you're gonna find yourself creating a lot of wealth. That's a very ironic marriage right there, that I discovered years ago. The more I give to people, the more I get in return, and not just monetarily. The love I get from people is just it's un it's insane because I remember I remember being in prison. I remember how I grew up on both sides of the fence when it came to my mother's lifestyle and my grandmother's lifestyle. It's just life has been a very amazing, fascinating journey, and we get when you can be a part of something that leaves a legacy or an inheritance or a pathway, or you can drop nuggets on the way throughout your journey in life. It really enriches your spirit. It really enriches your soul, and it's just a good thing to do, to be able to do. So again, I don't want to oversell. I'm just speaking from my heart. I feel you guys really want to take a look at this into this movement, this token, right? The people behind it, follow them, uh, and share share the word, spread the word, folks. Because again, in 2017, when I discovered blockchain technology and I understood how impactful that it was and how it was going to disrupt the world, change the world, and better the world, power the world. Then cryptocurrencies and how it was going to financially just put everybody on an equal playing field, and how it was going to disrupt shit around the world and make a lot of people fucking angry as hell. A lot of traditionally wealthy people angry, and it wasn't going to be an easy transition, and it's still not, as you can obviously see. Um, I got about 2 minutes. So that's the alts. You can contribute. You can definitely be a part of it. Go to altzz.io. You're going to have to have a MetaMask connection um, to your desktop or your phone, and you can buy the token that way. Or you can wait till it hit other exchanges if you want to. Right now is a good time to use MetaMask because the ETH gas fees are pretty low. So, as I was saying, you know, right, the headlines: Chinese big Bitcoin mining firm relocates machines to Kwaskatan, right? Bitcoin mining firm powered by waste coal raises 105 million. Bitcoin falls below 30,000 for the first time since January. Fireblocks faces lawsuit over alleged loss of 71 million in Ethereum. El Salvador opposition party files lawsuit against Buku's Bitcoin bet. So things are still popping off around the world. News still happening. But the biggest news is the fact that China is banning things. And so, hey, It's all good, man. Long term, it's all good. Short term, take care, folks. Talk to y'all soon.